5 seconds, intermediate. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to extend to you all a most hearty and cordial welcome to the 25th annual general meeting of the company. All of you must have received the director's report, the audited balance sheet, and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March, and with your permission, I shall take them as read. The company is now in its 15th year under the new management. During this period, we have steadily wiped out the liabilities of the past. Previous year, for the first time, after a break of 12 years, the company was in a position to pay dividend on equity which was at 5%. This year we shall be paying a dividend of 15%. The year under review has been a most difficult one. There was shortage of power extending over a period of several months, resulting in a steep fall in production and pushing up costs. Added to this, raw materials have been in acute short supply. I am glad to say that notwithstanding these obstacles, the company has succeeded in recording an increase of 17% in its turnover over the previous year and in securing adequate profits, which has enabled the declaration of a reasonable dividend on equity. But for these major handicaps, the production would have been of a much higher order and the profitability also much better than what it has been. During the current year also, production has been increasing substantially, and further increase in output and higher profitability are considered distinct possibilities at this stage. During the first 6 months of this financial year, the turnover has increased by 20% over the same period of last year. This trend is likely to endure. The increased output has been achieved essentially by the modernization program, which is being implemented in stages and which is expected to further improve production. The company has its order book full for quite some years to come. Achieve Active steps have been taken to steadily increase the output in the next few years with prospects of much higher profitability, and I am sure the company will in the coming years be in a position to pay higher dividends and also create good reserves. The company, as you are aware, is largely depending upon indigenous technology. It has built up a competent development department. I am happy to state that all the indigenous machineries developed by this department have been well accepted in the market and are competing very favorably with machinery manufactured with foreign collaboration. The company is also maintaining its export activities. The export orders booked in the previous year are being executed in the current financial year. I am happy to inform you that for the third time, your company has received an award from the Textile Machinery Manufacturers Association for outstanding export performance. During the year under review, also, the management in its relationship with labor continued to follow the enlightened policies which have kept the company free from labor trouble during the last 10 years. The present enviable position of the company in terms of financial soundness, with a good share of the market under its command and with a good reputation for its products, reflected by a very heavy order book, is due in no small measure to the excellent understanding that has prevailed all these years between labor and management. The program launched by the state government for the rehabilitation of the company having now come to a successful conclusion, government have decided to withdraw me from the management of the company. I therefore take this opportunity to bid you farewell and thank you immensely for the confidence reposed in me during the last over 3 years when I have been chairman of your company. I have received from you your goodwill in abundant measure. My colleagues on the board of directors and also the staff of the company have given me their unstinted cooperation. For all these, I am deeply grateful. I wish this conference will give serious consideration to these problems and suitable steps taken as soon as possible, assuring you of our best wishes at all times. Dear Madam, we are in receipt of your letter dated 4th instant. We are glad to inform you that we have ready stock of all the machineries which you have mentioned in your letter. We take this opportunity to assure you that we have vast experience in the manufacture of these machineries. Over the years, we have earned a reputation of promptly meeting the requirements of our customers to their utmost satisfaction. We have a special team of experts who can cater to the needs of all our customers. We are proud to announce that in this part of the state, our company has machineries. There is a widespread demand for our machineries in the whole country, and our clientele industries includes government as well as private sector industries. We are sending here with the price list and specifications of all types of machineries manufactured by us for your kind information. Our machineries are not only of high standard but are available at highly competitive prices. We have four showrooms in the city which are kept open from morning till evening for the convenience of all. We give below the respective address of the showrooms. You may please go over to our nearby showroom, inspect different models of the machineries, and make a selection. We will be able to supply you those machineries selected by you within 1 week on receipt of your orders. We bear transportation expenses. If you purchase machineries worth more than rupees 25,575. If you need any more details, please write to us immediately so that our representative can come to meet you in person and give further details on any date that is convenient to you, assuring you of our best services at all times. Yours faithfully, General Manager.